Good morning, student. Now today we will see the new lesson in the journal. Rest of question you will make the practice. If any doubt, I have allotted the time from 7:30 to 8:30. So individually you can ask me on my mobile number 6393983877. Timing 7:30 to 8:30. Now you will make the practice of journal. Live at home and remain safe. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask on this number. This is your time I have allotted. During this time you can ask your problem. Now today we are going to understand the GST, G, goods and service tax. We have the two types of government. This is the India, and in India you see throughout the India has been divided in different states. Different state you are seeing. But to control all the state, there is one central government. So we have the two types of administration. One is the state government and one is the central government. State government has responsibility only for his own state. For example, Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh CM, they have the responsibility of only Uttar Pradesh. Same the CM of Delhi, they have the responsibility of only Delhi. CM of Bihar, they have the responsibility of only Bihar. But central government or our Prime Minister, they have the responsibility throughout all the state, that is we called India, in which all the states are involved one. So when we pay tax, we make the payment of tax two types. One state tax and one central tax. So whatever you purchase, anything you purchase, even you purchase one matchbox of 1 rupee, in this matchbox of 1 rupee you pay the tax, and this tax are paid half to central government and half to state government. Now our PM has announced to make one nation one tax, and this was very necessary. You cannot realize before the GST how much trouble was in the business. Businessman has to maintain the so many papers, and they have to pay to different types of tax. For example, you think this is the Jammu Kashmir on this border, and here you are seeing the Kerala. If any goods transferred from Jammu Kashmir to Kerala, this will be passed from so many states, and every state takes the tax on these goods, and central government also take. Now you can realize, if here the cost price is the 10 rupees and everyone take the 10% tax, When it will come to Kerala, it becomes the 20 rupees. This was so complicated to maintain the documentary of the transaction, because how many states this goods will be passed, they have to pay the tax to every state, and they have to maintain the record of documents separate. That was the reason the traders were not much interested to pay tax to the government, but under the table they pay the money, and without paying the tax they do the business. The main reason was only one thing: if you will prepare the documentary, there will be sure some documentary here will be missing one, and that is reason you have to pay a heavy penalty. So you maintain the document, all the records, and if there is any point is the loose, you have to pay a big penalty. That is better if you pay some money under the table. You have no need of any types of paper. But here the traders were under pressure of the inspectors of different departments. When the GST has been applicable, now they pay only one chance state tax and one chance central tax, and both tax they pay within one chance. So only one paper they have required. If any place they have paid this GST one chance, all over the India, anywhere he will go, he will show the paper. This is the only one paper. So it was the very relaxable. It became very relaxable for the businessman. In the beginning, there was so many problems because we have converted to different tax into the GST. But now you are seeing so many taxpayer has been increased, because everyone wants to be honest. He wants to maintain the neat and clean accounts so that no one blame him. But before the GST, there was so many problems. For example, you see nowadays what is the condition of electricity department. You are seeing, if 1 month your electric bill is coming 400, and in the lockdown your electricity bill of your shop are coming 4,000. Now how it is possible? In the lockdown, all the shops were closed one. Or if before this his meter reading was 400 per month, then how 10 times consumption has been increased? This is the problem. And like such problems was created in the business due to different types of taxes. And today you are seeing the consumers who not take any types of connection, they will pay directly 300, 400, 500, 1000, 10,000 to the electric department persons, and they are using the electricity freely. They have no any tension, no any types of documentary. Now same types of corruption was involved throughout the India in the tax department, and the people of the government, they do not want to lose their income, extra income, so they were pushed up to the other person to come against this tax. That is reason so many problems has come, but slowly everything has been removed and business has become so easy today and the number of taxpayer has been increased in the case of GST more than 10 times. Because the people are paying the tax by heart. Self, they are ready to pay the tax. This GST was passed in the Parliament on 24th March 2017, and the same year on 1st July 2017 it was applicable. This was a very big step of the government, because such a large country, democratic country, and make the applicable the any policy in such a small period, April, May, June, only for 3 months. You can understand this problem. How tough it was to make the applicable and make the adjustment everything within 3 months. Like such India country, where every person wants to remain always free. They want the freedom. So you can realize how much the government has struggled here. Now the government make the applicable to GST. Now you have not to pay how many types of tax? Excise duty, service tax, central sales tax. These three central government tax you have not to pay, and octroi and entry tax, purchase tax, entertainment tax, VAT, luxuries tax, lottery. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 these tax you have not to pay. In the place of maintain the 9 types of papers and pay the 9 types of tax, you have to pay only one tax, GST, and you have to maintain only one paper. So it becomes the easy for the taxpayer. Now government decided the tax also in the different types of part. Essential items, they are the tax free. All the food item like rice, pulses, oil. Now you see the price of pulses. Before coming the government in 2014, it was running on 85, and even today now it is nearly 100, between 285. So very slowly the rate has been increased. So all these are the tax free, but if you will purchase the packed food item, then there will be charged the GST. Same in essential item, not only the food, medical, cloth, in cloth. If each piece cost is less than 500, if you purchase a t-shirt which price is less than 500, now there will be 0 GST. But if you will purchase the t-shirt that price is more than 500, then in that case he will charge the tax rate of GST. So government has divided in the essential item, this is the 0%, in the common use item, that is the 5%, standard rate on maximum item 12%, and service and raw material, that is the 18%, and luxuries and tobacco, they charges the 28%. On very few items, 28% are charged. These are such items which are the luxuries which are used by only the rich persons, or either tobacco item like cigarette, bidi, like wine. Here they charge the tax rate 28%. In the lockdown you have seen on the wine or beer, the tax rate has been increased up to 70%. So time to time government increases the tax rate, but these tax rate are mostly increases on the luxuries and tobacco. Here mostly item which belongs to the middle family and poor family, they are the tax free. So this is the GST. Now I hope you have understand the concept that you have to pay the tax to central government and also pay tax to the state government. So when you will record the tax, you will record with the name of CGST and with the name of Yes GST. Next we will see in the next video. Thank you.